Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to do history lesson. The name of the lesson is Maharashtra before Shivaji. We all know that Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader. So today we are going to learn more about him. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. Means हम लोग उनका जो बर्थडे है बहुत ही धूमधाम से बनाते हैं. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and pavdas in his honor. Pavdas means Marathi poem. हम उनकी याद में poem और गाने गाते हैं. You garland his picture and say शिवाजी महाराज की जय. हम उनको फूलों की माला चढ़ाते हैं और कहते हैं शिवाजी महाराज की जय. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Now, let's see what is the reason. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Now, what is medieval period? There are three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. Medieval is the middle period, and the ancient is the past period where the Stone Age man used to live, and the modern is which we are in now. In those days, monarchy or the rule of the kings prevailed everywhere. Now, monarchy means king and queen used to rule in those days. Prevail means they used to exist. Everyone used to follow the rules of the kings and queen. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. Many kings used to enjoy and live their happy life with their families, but they didn't used to take care of their welfare of the subjects. मतलब उनके जो लोग थे, जो गरीब लोग थे, उनका ध्यान वो ज़रा भी नहीं देते थे. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of the subjects. But उनके अलावा दूसरे बहुत भी अच्छे kings थे जो अपने लोगों का ध्यान देते थे. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. मतलब ये दो इतने अच्छे राजा हैं जो बहुत ही लोगों का ध्यान देते थे. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. इनके जैसे शिवाजी महाराज ने भी बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट कमाई है. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Establish means he started the Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government or own rule. शिवाजी महाराज ने जो establish किया है स्वराज का मतलब है self-government, मतलब अपने खुद के rules. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. मतलब शिवाजी महाराज के बॉर्न होने से पहले बिफोर 400 years महाराष्ट्र जो था वो फ्री नहीं था. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. जो लार्ज पोर्शन महाराष्ट्र का था, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो ज़मीन थी was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. ये दोनों भी मुगल्स हैं जो जिनके हाथ में महाराष्ट्र था शिवाजी से पहले. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र को दो हिस्सों में बांट लिया था. They were not liberal in their outlook. Now here, liberal means accepting different opinions. वो किसी के भी opinions accept नहीं करते थे. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. वो लोग हैरेस करते थे लोगों को, जिनके पे रूल करते थे वो उन लोग को हैरेस करते थे, मारते थे, उनसे अच्छे से बिहेव नहीं करते थे. They were also sworn enemies of each other. मतलब उन लोग बहुत बड़े दुश्मन थे एक दूसरे के. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. मतलब उन लोग जानबूझकर झगड़ा करते थे ताकि लोग जो है वो परेशान हो और अच्छे से ना रहे. ये उन लोग का मोटो था. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. इट वॉज़ वेरी सैड फॉर द पीपल बिकॉज उन लोग अच्छे से खाना नहीं खा सकते थे, नॉट दे कुड सेलिब्रेट देयर फेस्टिवल्स और वर्शिप देयर गॉड्स. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. बेचारे they were very scared. उन लोग अपने घर में भी सुकून से नहीं रह सकते थे. There were injustice everywhere. वहाँ पे लोगों में जस्टिस नहीं था बिकॉज उन लोग जो थे, जो किंग्स थे, वो पीपल को अच्छे से रहने नहीं देते थे, हमेशा फाइटिंग करते रहते थे. सो देयर वाज इनजस्टिस एवरीवेयर. कोई भी रूल्स फॉलो नहीं किए जाते थे. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. Now, Watandars over here, it means that landholders. Landholders जो थे देशमुख और देशपांडेज, उनकी खुद की जागीर थी. They had their own lands. They loved only their lands and not their country. उनको अपनी ज़मीन पसंद थी लेकिन अपनी country पसंद नहीं थी. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. इन लोग की constant fighting की वजह से लोगों में बहुत बुरे हाल होने लगे लोगों के. They were very misery. The people's condition was very misery. They were very much confused what to do. They were very much tired. There was misrule everywhere. वहाँ पे कोई रूल फॉलो नहीं था. कोई भी कुछ भी कभी भी आके कुछ भी करते थे राजा लोग. The people has to follow them. People were tired of this oppressions and were very unhappy. वहाँ के जो लोग थे बेचारे बहुत उनको परेशानी सहनी पड़ती थी. इसकी वजह से they were very unhappy. उन लोग कभी खुशी नहीं मनाते थे. They could not celebrate their festivals. This is very bad. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. उन्होंने सोचा, उन्होंने ये सब चीज़ें देखी कि लोग कैसा सफ़र कर रहे हैं, लोग कैसे परेशान हैं, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि चलो मैं एक टास्क इस्टेब्लिश करता हूँ ताकि जो लोग हैं वहाँ के खुश हो जाए. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. उन्होंने पहले उनके प्रॉब्लम्स सुधारे and brought book to the Watandars. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. See how smart Shivaji Maharaj is. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने झगड़ा किया. जो बुरी चीज़ें हो रही थी उसके अगेंस्ट उन्होंने झगड़ा किया एंड उन्होंने उनको हरा दिया. डिफीटेड देम मतलब उन्होंने उनको हरा दिया और वो जीत गए. ही एस्टैब्लिश्ड